So welcome guys back guys. In the last tutorial, I was explaining how we can add an action to, a component, a GUI component in the code, using the FXID. And in this tutorial, I'll be adding the same using FXML, right? And FXML is going to we're just going to create a method, and as you can see, I've created a method here, Java method, and I've annotated it using at my FXML because I need it to be private. Remember, I said if you need to use something with a JavaFX GUI component, if it is private, you must use the at FXML. If it is public, then it's okay to use it directly. So I'm going to run this. So first of all, I'm going to delete this, guys. All right, I'm going to delete this. So I'm going to go into my code. I'm going to look at the methods that are here. So when you come to the GUI format of this thing, like I said, there are two methods of attaching an event to a component in JavaFX, a GUI component in JavaFX. First is through code, we did it, okay. The second one is through the FXML, and here we can use it here using the on action and all these, even the on drag and add. We can use all that so that we may show a component there, right? So here, this is my method, okay. So if I click on it like that, okay, that means I have assigned this method to this button. So I have assigned this method, say hello, to that button. Hello from XML assigned event, okay, like that. All right. So if I run this program now, if I was to run this program now, passing, finishing, okay, the program is not running. If I click on this, right, you can see success event from XML assigned event. All right, success. Okay, the message. Okay, you can see it's working. This is because we used that FXML. If I didn't use the annotation here, and the method is private, then there is no linkage between the method and the button, and it would run into an error, right? You see, we have the error here. Okay, exception in the start method. What? Okay, but if I make this public, for you, if I say public, okay, now there should go out, and the program should run as it should. Okay, this is very important, guys. Remember, when you are dealing with something, when you put it as private, you should be able to use the annotation at FXML always. If not, you're going to run into a problem. And if you think that you don't want to use it as private, you can always use the you can always make use of the public construct. You can just construct it as public. Okay, so for this tutorial, I really wanted to concentrate about the containers we have in JavaFX. Remember, this is one of the containers. Okay, if you come here, we have a number of rows. We have the custom. These ones are custom that you have created for you have created, or maybe you have a library that you have included here, and it's working. Okay, like these are from library, whether icon, view, all those are from library that the libraries that I've implemented or have imported into my scene builder. So these are they appear there. But the containers, these are now the containers. All right, and I'm going to discuss about all these containers and how they should work. Okay, guys, how they should work, and some of the most important. You will not always use all these containers. Okay, they are there. I understand that they are there, but we not always use some of these containers. Some of them will be used by some libraries. For example, the stack pane will always be used by the JPhoenix library for showing dialogues. Okay, and guys, before I go there, I just thought it was possible. It was important that I show you an application that I've also created using JavaFX, so that at least you might be able to explain. At least you might be able to appreciate the importance of JavaFX, and importance of understanding these designs, and how we can run to design better GUIs. Okay, so these are full application. Okay, It's an application that I created some times back, and yeah, it was a school management system, and it's pure on JavaFX. Okay, so if I may just I think this is a material POS. This is a POS system. Okay, guys, this is not a school management system. This is a POS system. I'm also going to be later on. I'm going to show you the school management system. Okay, so you can see we have the animation. Enter there. We have all these, and then we can log in. Okay, see, I just wanted to show you something, guys. Here. Okay, you see, okay, we have invite username and all that, password. Try again. Okay, you can say Joshua. You can say. So the most important thing is that you are going to learn how to be creating these things. Okay, it's not that much complete, but you can view the retail reports, you can view the wholesale reports, you can view the report summaries, you can maybe have KCD. Okay, strike that, you can maybe proceed. Okay, so these some of these components, they are from a library called Javafx. I should also later discuss about this library, but I just wanted you guys to be able to appreciate what we can be able to do with JavaFX when you are serious. Okay, so that's a that's a POS system in JavaFX that I did. So back to our course. So let's continue talking about these containers. The first one is this, and this is it is a anchor pane. Okay, an anchor pane is more so like a relative layout. If you guys are from an Android layout, from an Android background, sorry, and you can place a component anywhere.